So I recently renovated our trailer, and as part of it I made a new table, and it's primarily my wife and I traveling, so I made this table for the two of us, and it has brackets underneath it, and this table post that actually moves. It's made out of a bar stool, and it's at full height for the bar stool, and I ground off the place where you put the seats. You can't really notice it too much from back here. And then when I want to expand it, if let's say the kids come over to dinner, I have another expansion piece that is right here, and it has two posts on it, or two aluminum poles, and then they'll slide into the brackets. So I'll go ahead and do that now. As you can see, I've got the first two in, and then I just slide it in. There we go. Now it's fully seated, and the tables looks like this on top right now. And then what I do is slide the foot out, and then the table is fully supported, and you can see I can put weight on it, and what I'll do is I'll actually slide it out more there, and now they're both fully seated. So if you're interested in doing an expanding table, here's an idea for you. Enjoy it. The other part of the table just stores nicely there, so that when I want to use it, it's ready to go.